You guys have been asking for a full breakdown, so here it is. I did these knotless braids myself at home. Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to get these clean parts and seamless fit in. Step 1 is all about the prep. I'm using my gummy wax and my trustworthy rat tail comb. The hardest part of DIY knotless braids isn't the braiding itself, it's the tension and the pattern. If you are struggling with braids, slipping or looking bulky at the roots, you're in the right place. We're going to fix all of that in the next 5 minutes. We are starting at the back because it is the best place to practice your tension. Let's get into that first section. I'm going to be keeping quiet for the rest of the video so you can watch and learn without my voice distracting you. If you are trying this for the first time today, comment braid day down below so we can cheer you on, and don't forget to subscribe for more realistic hair goals. I'll see you in the next